What you got there?
Grapes.
You have grapes?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Yeah? What does Reagan have? Reagan, are those good?
And they race.
Oh, Reagan has grapes too, huh?
They race.
Are the grapes good, Reagan? Does that mean yes? Oh dear. Here, let's put you in here. Hi. Do you have a grape in your mouth?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You got a pretty cool outfit on there. I like your pants. What are on your pants? What's on there?
Sorry.
A barn, yep. Do you have a horse on there? What does a horse say? A horse says that? Oh, a cow says moo, right. Doesn't a horse say neigh? Neigh. What does a duck say? Quack, 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 quack. What does a black sheep say?
Hey.
You say baa. Okay, you want to say bye-bye? Hey, Ray Ray. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Hey, soon.
Yep, see you soon.